In this video, we are putting two AI website builders to the test. It's Emergent AI versus Lovable. Which one will help you build your dream website faster and easier? Let's find out. First up is Emergent AI. Imagine telling your ideas to a super smart robot that then builds a whole app for you. That's what Emergent AI does. It's a platform that uses something called agentic vibe coding. What's that? It's like having a team of tiny AI agents working together. One agent is a planner, another is a coder, and another is a debugger. You just tell them what you want in plain English. They figure out the plan, write the code, and then even fix any mistakes. It's not just for simple websites. Emergent AI can build complex apps with both front end that you see and a back end that works behind the scene. It wants to make building software as easy as having a conversation. Sounds pretty cool, right? Now let's talk about some of its top features. First up is conversational to code transformation. This is the magic of Emergent AI. You don't need to know any coding language. You just talk to the AI like you would to a person. You can say, I want a website for my pet grooming business, and the AI will start asking you questions to understand what you need. It will then take your answers and turn them into real working code. This is amazing for people who have great ideas but don't have the technical skills to build them. It's like having a professional developer who understands you perfectly. It saves a lot of time and makes the whole process fun. Next, we have the multi-agent architecture. This is what makes Emergent AI so powerful. It's not just one AI trying to do everything. Instead, it has a team of specialized AI agents. Think of it like building a house. You have an architect to design it, a builder to construct it, and an inspector to check for problems. Emergent AI has a similar system. There's an agent for planning, one for coding the visual parts, another for the technical parts, and one for testing and fixing bugs. This team of agents works together seamlessly to build your app. This means fewer errors and a better quality product in the end. Another great feature is automatic debugging and deployment. Have you ever tried to fix a problem in something you built? It can be very frustrating. With Emergent AI, you don't have to worry about that. As the AI builds your app, it is constantly testing it for any bugs or errors. It finds a problem, it fixes it automatically. This is a huge time saver and stress reducer. Once your app is built and bug-free, Emergent AI also helps you put it on the internet for everyone to see. This is called deployment, and it can be a complicated process, but Emergent AI handles it for you, making it super simple. Finally, there's the agentic vibe coding experience. This might sound a bit technical, but it's really about the feeling you get when using Emergent AI. It's not a boring, form-based builder. It's a dynamic and interactive conversation. The AI understands the vibe or the feeling you want for your app. You can tell it to make your website look modern and clean, or fun and colorful. The AI will then use its creativity to design something that matches your vision. This makes the process of building an app feels less like work and more like a creative project. So, how much does this all cost? Emergent AI uses a credit-based system. You buy credits and you use them to have the AI agents work on your project. There's a free tier that gives you a few credits to try it out. If you need more, you can subscribe to a monthly plan. The standard plan is $20 a month and gives you more credits. The more complex your app is, the more credits it will use. This pay-as-you-go model can be good because you only pay for what you use, but you need to keep an eye on your credit balance. Emergent AI is for a wide range of people. If you are a solo entrepreneur with a great app idea but no coding skills, this is for you. It's also great for developers who want to build things faster and skip the boring setup stuff. Product managers and business owners can use it to create internal tools for their teams without needing to hire a big development team. Basically, if you have an idea for an app or a website and want to see it come to life quickly, Emergent AI is worth checking out. Now, let's talk about Lovable. Lovable is another AI powered platform that helps you build full stack websites. What does full stack mean? It means it builds everything: the pretty front end that people see and the powerful back end that makes everything work. Similar to Emergent AI, you use natural language to tell it what you want. You can describe your dream website, and Lovable's AI will start building it for you. It focuses on creating real, editable code. This is a big deal because it means you're not stuck with a website you can't change later. Lovable also connects with other popular tools like GitHub, which is a place where developers store and manage their code. It's designed to be easy for beginners but also powerful enough for professional developers. Now, let's talk about some of its top features. Lovable's first top feature is its full stack code generation. This is a game changer. Many website builders only help you with their visual part, the front end. But what if you need a website where users can create accounts, upload pictures, or buy things? For that, you need a backend and a database. Lovable builds all of it for you from a single prompt. It uses popular and reliable technologies like React for the front end and Node.js for the back end. This means the website it builds for you is not a toy, it's a real professional quality application. Next is the seamless GitHub integration. If you're a developer, you know how important GitHub is. It's the heart of most software projects. Lovable understands this, so it automatically syncs the code it generates to your GitHub account. This gives you complete ownership and control over your website's code. You can download it, change it, and work on it with other developers. For non-coders, this might not seem like a big deal, but it's a huge advantage. It means your website is not locked into Lovable's platform. You have the freedom to take your code anywhere you want. Lovable also offers a visual and chat-based interface. This gives you the best of both worlds. You can start by chatting with the AI to describe your website. The AI will then build it for you. But what if you want to make small changes to the design? Lovable has a visual editor that helps you click on any parts of your website and change its style. You can change colors, fonts, and layouts without writing any code. This combination of a powerful chat interface and an easy-to-use visual editor makes building and refining your website a breeze. Finally, Lovable has different modes for development, including an agent mode. This is really smart. Sometimes you just want to ask a question or plan your next steps without the AI making changes to your code. For that, you can use chat mode. But when you're ready to build, you can switch to agent mode. In this mode, the AI can think, plan, and take actions on its own to build complex features for you. It can even search the web for information if it needs to. This flexibility allows you to work with the AI in a way that best suits your needs at any given moment. Lovable has a very friendly pricing structure. It has a free plan that gives you a certain number of credits every day. This is great for trying out the platform and building small projects. If you need more power and features, they have paid plans starting at around $25 a month. These plans give you more monthly credits, the ability to create private projects, and other professional features. They also have plans for teams and larger businesses. The clear pricing tiers make it easy to choose the right plan for your needs and budget. Lovable is designed for a very broad audience. If you've never written a line of code in your life, you can use Lovable to build a fully functional website. Filmmakers, recruiters, and entrepreneurs have all used it to bring their ideas to life. But it's also a great tool for experienced developers. It can help them build prototypes and MVPs incredibly fast. So, whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned pro, Lovable has something to offer. So, which AI builder is right for you? If you want a highly conversational experience with a team of AI agents that automates everything from coding to bug fixing, Emergent AI could be your perfect match. On the other hand, if you want a platform that gives you full ownership of your code with seamless GitHub integration and the flexibility of both a chat and visual editor, then Lovable might be the way to go. Both are amazing tools that are changing the way we create things on the internet. The best way to know for sure is to try them out for yourself. We hope this video helped you understand the difference between Emergent AI and Lovable. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.